Back to work, night shift. Time is 9 p.m. Sunday night. Talagang parang ghost town. Sarap mag-drive, walang ka-traffic. Ganito mukha niya Sunday night. So yan, balik sa trabaho. Medyo okay na yung tuhod, medyo masakit konti, pero okay na, pwede nang itrabaho. Time is 2:20 in the morning. 30 minutes break. So pahinga lang dito sa locker yung mga kasama ko dyan, no? Time for telephone, Facebook. Yan ang ginagawa rito pag naka-break ka ng mahaba. Yung pinakamabang break is 30 minutes. Time for you to eat. And then kung iihi ka, may dalawang break na short break. Inom at saka ihi. 15 minutes each. Yeah. So, hindi lang maganda, binalik ako sa palletizing. Yan. Dapat doon ako sa packaging. Kaso lang yung dami din palang absent. So, tinawagan nila ako doon sa packaging. Sabi maraming absent. Wala yung isang tao doon sa palletizing. So sabi kong dala ko tong uniform ko to, ito. Ako blue. Sabi ko andun sa locker. Sabi niya, pwede bang magbihis at pumesto doon sa pallet. So ngayon nasa pallet ako. Kaya pawis ako doon sa pallet. Busy sa palletizing. Kasi kami yung nagpapalit lahat ng ice cream na ginawa. Pumapasok yun sa conveyor. Sinasalo namin sa conveyor. Nilalagay namin sa pallet. Okay lang. Ayos. Ka-out lang ni Jaffet Boy. Time is 5:45 in the morning. Pauwi na tayo. Yan. Yan ang pangalan ng kumpanya na pinapasukan ko. Dito na ako sa bahay. Sigurado nag-aantay niya si Hana kasi siya ang gagamit ng kotse sa umaga pag ako'y panggabi. So tamang-tama yung oras kasi yung pasok niya sa trabaho alas 7. Yan, 5:59. So ang alis niya rito is 6:20. Mga 6:45 na sa work niya siya. May time pa siya mag-relax. 7 o'clock yung pasok niya para 3 o'clock ng hapon makaka-uwi na siya. Pero ang ginagawa niya pag Monday, nag-extend siya ng 2 hours. So sa halip na 3 o'clock yung alis niya, ginagawa niyang 5 o'clock para pag Tuesday, sa halip na 3 o'clock yung uwi niya, ginagawa niyang 1 o'clock. Yun ang style ni Hana. Alright, okay, let's go! Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, I'm already home because they moved me again to palletizing. Oh my. Alright, that's okay. Now what I'm gonna do is cook food first. Egg. Importante. Time to go.
Oh, yeah. For you, time to go sleep. Yeah, I'm so tired.
I'm so tired. Bye. See you, alligator.
I'll come later at finishing 5.
You finished 5, okay. You alright? Okay. Nagluluto pa ako. Okay lang, hindi pa naman ako inaantok eh. Itlog ang kakainin ko dyan. Yung puti lang ng itlog ang kakainin ko. Ito ulam ni Sophia para sa kanyang lunch. May kanin na pala ako. Yan, kanin. Okay na yan. Kanyan na parboiled rice. Ayos. So, another 15 minutes. Okay na to. 6 o'clock ng gabi. Tingnan yung araw. Matarik pa rin. Si Maming at si Helen nagbibisbis ng kanilang pananim. For sure si Hana nasa baba na. Sigurado ako dumating na yun galing sa work. Putol-putol yung tulog ko eh. So, tulog ako alas 7. Gising ng alas 9:30, ihi. Gising ng tulog ulit, gising ng alas 11:45. Hindi na ako makatulog. Bumaba ako, kumain. Tulog ulit alas 3. Gising ng 4:45. Hindi na makatulog. So sabi ko, pagurin ko yung sarili ko. Nag-i-exercise ako kahit konti lang. Para at least yung katawan ay may resistensya. So, yan. Alas 6 na. At alas 9:45 yung aking pasok. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi yung time clock, time in, kundi mismong actual job na yun. 9:45, kailangan nagtatrabaho na ako. So, nasa building ako usually alas 9. Pero sana hindi ako uli huhugutin. Katulad ng kagabi, hinugot ako. Dinala ako sa palit uli. Medyo nakakapagod yung palit kasi tuloy-tuloy. Lahat ng ginawang ice cream, pasok doon sa amin. Dinadala ng conveyor doon sa amin at nilalagay namin sa palit. Sana okay yung rotation eh. 1 week sa palit, after ng 1 week pahinga, ganun. Tapos baka palit uli, tapos pahinga uli ng palit, ibang section na naman para at least matutunan lahat ng section. How's job?
Tiring.
Tiring? Yeah, I know.
Job is always tiring. Any kind of job. But I like it. Can't complain. It's just the Monday and it's office days, so we have long hours until.
Why other days are not office days?
It's office day, like
What do you mean office days?
that we have a long day until 5. That the people who works, they can still come and catch up with us. Same like when the doctors, they have an afternoon, 1 day afternoon, because that's for working people. When you go to make your driving license, passport, there is 2 office days.
Okay. So you mean you accept people coming and entertain,
Yeah.
like customers.
The other-
But Tuesday you don't do that.
Yeah, that's after they call and arrange the meeting. So
Only by appointment.
yeah,
But Monday they can
anytime.
without appointment.
And without appointment.
So Monday you work until 5, and then Tuesday you don't need to work until 5.
No,
So you take back these 2 hours extra.
usually we do short Fridays.
Okay. Right. Hannah has a good job, really. Just in the computer. Yeah. How about Sophia? Let's see. How are you? You are stuck at home. Yeah, you are in prison. You don't have appointment with your friends?
No. This is I'm prison.
So when are you going out and have fun with your friends?
I don't know.
No? You are bored at home? Yeah?
No. I'd rather be at home than at school right now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Time is 6:30, if I'm not mistaken. So I still have, I think, 1 hour nap, if I want to. Yeah? Second night. Let's go! Let's do this. 5 nights. Ito yung pang second nights. So, alis na ako. Ayan na. Yun, tubig lang yung dala ko. Ito lang dala ko. Tsaka, bag. Tubig lang. Ito. Bag. At saka tubig. Yan. Water. That's it. Bye, darling. Love you. Bye. Bye, Sisi. Bye. 8:39 na ng gabi pero maliwanag pa rin. When Gets is here, she will go out. Okay, let's go. Kaya hindi ako nagbabaon kasi sa trabaho, hindi talaga ako nakakaramdam ng gutom kasi nga dahil sa sobrang busy. So, uhaw ka lang, yung nakakaramdam ka ng uhaw, kaya ako inom lang ako ng inom. So, yun muna. Pasok tayo sa trabaho. Magbanat ng buto. Okay. I have 30 minutes break bago yung section na inassignan ko. Yung tinatawag na packaging. So, gumagawa ka ng boxes. Tapos, yung mga ice cream na dumadaloy sa conveyor, sa ginagawa mong boxes, ilalagay mo yung ice cream doon. So, mabilisan. Dahil first time ko na gumagawa ng boxes, hindi ako sanay. Ito ang aking napala. Ito ang literal na sweat and blood. Kaya worth it ang sahod. Ito po yung aking kamay. Nakita niyo ba? Matalim yung mga boxes. Pag magkamali ka, masusugatan ka talaga sa mga boxes. Pero yung mga kasama ko talagang sanay. Talagang pinapanood nila ako. Parang feeling ko ako yung pinapanood nila kasi ako yung first timer dun sa packaging. Yung paggawa ng boxes. Tapos ikaw mismo maglalagay din ng ice cream sa box. So, dumadali yung ice cream. Hindi yung pwedeng pabagal-bagal. Talagang ito. Ay. Pag magsuot naman ako ng gloves, madulas yung gloves. Pero ganun talaga pag hindi ka sanay. Nagkakaroon ako ng bruise. So, ayan. Okay lang. Laban para sa kinabukasan.
Rest and sleep well.
Hopefully, yesterday what happened? I had all in all like 4 hours sleep, and that 4 hours is not straight.
That you can sleep.
It's a chop. Anyway.
But maybe Mamika has the sleeping pills.
That's bad. I don't take any pills.
Have a rest, yeah? Sleep well. What you wanna buy?
Are you going to the store? Buy me some
Banana.
Banana.
Meat. And what else did you want? Anything else?
That's it.
No, you want something else. Banana, lean meat, and
Minced beef, mince.
beans. Yeah.
If you buy it,
But-
berries.
Very
Oh, bring my card. I have a lot of money now because I'll give you my card so you can spend my money.
Okay, I will need it in Prague.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give you.
Okay, at least I can make it 10
Yeah.
payments, and then you will have a game for me.
Okay. You can.
Okay, so
in Prague.
if you think what you need, just call me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you. Kasi yung check money ko, hindi ko nagagastos. Diba? So, sabi ko kay yun ang gustusin mo pang grocery. Konti lang naman ang pera. So, sayang din naman pag hindi mo gustusin yung pambili-bili man lang ng mga kunting grocery. Hindi malaki. Kasi yung ginagamit kong card dito, yung card ko galing England. So, England ka. Anyway, so yan lang muna. At salamat. Good night sa akin. Tutulog na ako.